Is your Snapchat account temporarily disabled? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it and get back to snapping in no time. Step 1. Understand why your account is disabled. First, let's understand why this happens. Snapchat temporarily disables accounts for several reasons. 1. Using third-party apps or plugins. 2. Violating Snapchat's terms of service. 3. Logging in from an unrecognized device too many times. Step 2. Wait for 24 to 48 hours. How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. Sometimes, Snapchat automatically restores access within 24 to 48 hours. If you've only been locked out for a minor reason, waiting might solve the issue. Step 3. Try logging in via the Snapchat website. Next, try logging in through Snapchat's official website. Go to snapchat.com, click on Login, and check if your account is accessible there. Step 4. Unlock your account manually. If your account is still locked, go to Snapchat's unlock page at Accounts, snapchat.com/accounts/unlock, and follow the instructions to request access. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If you're unable to unlock it yourself, contact Snapchat support. Go to support, snapchat.com, select My account is locked, and submit a request explaining your issue. Step 6. Avoid getting locked again. To prevent this from happening again, make sure you follow these tips. Don't use third-party apps. Avoid logging in from unknown devices. Follow Snapchat's terms of service. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching and happy snapping!